In the world of excavation, there are machines that dig, and then there are machines that devour the earth itself. First, the hydraulic excavator, a masterpiece of precision and power. Versatile, agile, and capable of handling countless tasks with its powerful arm and bucket. This is the machine that tackles focused, detailed work, but when the scale becomes monumental, a true titan emerges, the bucket wheel excavator. Watch as its massive wheel, lined with buckets, spins relentlessly. This isn't just digging, it's a continuous, breathtaking act of consumption. It scoops, lifts, and dumps thousands of tons of material every single hour. And it never stops. While a traditional excavator loads one truck at a time, the bucket wheel excavator feeds miles of conveyor belts, moving earth on a scale that's almost hard to comprehend.